The Graphical Forecast for Aviation, or the GFA, is a web interface designed to provide all the necessary weather information you need to plan your next flight. The Aviation Weather Center recently expanded the coverage of the experimental GFA to now include Alaska. The goal of this video is to provide a quick tutorial of the GFA, as well as highlight some new features that are now available. When using the GFA, you must first decide if you are interested in looking at the current conditions or forecast information, and then select the corresponding tab. Both tab options are located at the top left corner of the map display. The product selection tabs, located just above, will change depending on which option you choose. If you are looking at current observation information, you'll notice the time slider, which is located at the upper right, can move backwards in time to the left to show how conditions have evolved. When you are looking at forecast products on the GFA, you can move the time slider forward or to the right in order to see what weather is expected over the next several hours. In both observation and forecast mode, the valid time is located just above the time slider and can be switched from UTC time to local time by selecting the box from the Map Base, Domain, and Format drop-down in the Map Options menu. Alaska AirMets and SIGMETs are also displayed. Any current SIGMETs will show up while looking at current observations, while AirMets can be seen on the corresponding Forecast Product tab. You can click on the individual AirMets to get additional information. One thing that may be of particular interest to Alaska users is the capability to highlight rivers, roads, and geographical features on the map. This can be done by selecting the various boxes under the Roads Rivers tab under Map Features in the Map Options menu. In addition to the expanded domain, the experimental GFA also includes a couple new features. One of those features is the addition of a low-level wind shear grid. This grid can be found under the Low-Level Wind Shear tab in Forecast mode. The hotter colors indicate areas where non-convective low-level wind shear is expected to occur. Another helpful feature of the GFA is the ability to plot a flight route over the map. Simply click on the Show Flight Path tab in the upper right. Type in your navigation point identifiers and hit Go. This will draw a pink line on the map highlighting the path you've entered. To remove the line, simply delete the navigation information from the box. A couple important things to note while using the GFA. You'll find the legends located just below the map, which correspond to whatever information is currently displayed on the screen. The GFA boundary line, which is a dark blue color, indicates the bounds of the gridded forecast information, while the purple boundary surrounding the contiguous United States indicates the AWC GFA coverage domain. You can also toggle the map to a full screen by clicking the arrow in the upper right corner of the map. To return to your browser window, just hit Escape. We hope this quick introduction to the GFA has provided you with enough information to get started. You can also find additional product and tutorial information by clicking on the Info button in the far upper right corner.